Hello and welcome back to our channel Huge Health. Today we will be taking a look at the Mediterranean diet, otherwise known as the #1 diet for 2023. We will be covering what it is, why it works, how to get started and much more. Before we dive in, please consider hitting the subscribe button and give this video a like. Also, we have researched some great products to help you get started in your health journey. Check out the description box below for some great info. Let's get started. The Mediterranean diet. This diet is called the Mediterranean diet because it is based on the healthy eating patterns of the people living in the Mediterranean region, like Greece, Italy, and Spain. The diet has been studied heavily since around the 1960s, and researchers have found that people in this region have significantly lower rates of chronic disease, such as cancer and heart disease. Not only is the Mediterranean diet based on what you eat, it's also based on a slightly different lifestyle. Don't worry, it's nothing too crazy. Now, let's get into what the Mediterranean diet consists of. The Mediterranean diet consists of a healthy diet, but it is also flexible enough for anyone to enjoy its benefits. The diet emphasizes plant-based foods but also lets you indulge in some of your favorite meats, nuts, and berries. As previously stated, the diet isn't all about what you consume. A big part of the diet is having a slightly different lifestyle than you may have now. Some lifestyle changes may include a centered focus around food, family and socializing, while encouraging you to enjoy fresh food at home with family and friends. What you can eat on the Mediterranean diet. Here are some great examples of things you should eat. #1 Vegetables. Tomatoes, peppers, onions, eggplants, zucchinis, spinach, artichokes, and broccoli. #2 Fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, apples, bananas, grapes, and berries. #3 Whole grains. Rice, quinoa, oats, barley, and whole grain bread. #4 Legumes. Chickpeas, lentils, and beans. #5 Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. #6 Fish and seafood. Salmon, tuna, sardines, and shrimp. #7 Poultry and eggs. Chicken, turkey, and eggs. #8 Dairy. Greek yogurt, feta cheese, and other cheeses in moderation. #9 Healthy fats. Olive oil, avocado, and nuts. Red meat should be avoided as much as possible, but can be consumed in moderation. Foods to avoid. Here are some examples of food you shouldn't eat on this diet. #1 Processed foods. Processed meats, packaged snacks, and convenience foods, fast food. #2 Red meat. Beef, pork, and lamb. #3 Added sugars. Sugary drinks, candy, and desserts. #4 Refined carbohydrates. White bread and pasta. #5 Trans fats. Margarine, fried foods, and processed snacks. #6 High-fat dairy. Butter, cream, and full-fat cheese. #7 Excess alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption, particularly red wine, is allowed on the Mediterranean diet, excessive drinking can be harmful to your diet. Why this diet works? The Mediterranean diet works for several reasons. The first is because it is based on nutrient-dense foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants. These foods have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Secondly, the diet encourages the consumption of healthy fats, like those found in olive oil and nuts, which have been linked to improved brain function and reduced risk of chronic diseases. The third reason the diet works is because it encourages you to actually enjoy your food and spend more time with family. The time spent with family and friends has been shown to lower your stress levels, which can have a huge impact on your overall health. Lastly, the diet is more flexible than most, and this allows you to keep on track with the diet for the long term. Awesome, right? What is the best way to get started? First, hit the grocery store. Make sure to include lots of fruits, some whole grains, and grab a lean protein instead of a red meat. Since this diet consists of lots of fresh food and produce, only buy enough food for a few days so it doesn't go bad. You may also want to go through your fridge and pantry. Start by throwing out any processed foods such as white bread, frozen foods, frozen pizzas, and anything else that may spoil your diet. Another piece of advice is to season your dishes with herbs and spices instead of using table salt. This will help reduce your sodium intake. Like with any diet, the hardest part is staying on track. The great thing about the Mediterranean diet is you can still enjoy dinners out with friends and family. Instead of ordering that burger, maybe try the salmon or chicken breast. A lot of people have found that it is actually quite enjoyable to switch to this diet, because it can really broaden your boundaries on the foods you enjoy. Why should someone switch to this diet? There are many benefits of going to the Mediterranean diet, such as better heart health. This diet focuses on healthy fats like whole grains, fruits and vegetables. These healthy fats have shown to drastically improve your overall heart health, which leads to a lesser risk of heart disease, stroke or high blood pressure. Weight management. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fiber and protein, which helps bowel movement and helps you to feel full after a meal. Better brain function. Studies have shown that this diet can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. Inflammation reduction. Due to the diet's antioxidants and healthy fats, it's been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Blood sugar control. Again, the foods in this diet consist of almost no added sugars, and it's also high in fiber. There you have it. The top-rated diet for 2023 is the Mediterranean diet. With so many different diet options, it's nice to know which one has helped so many people feel better and lose some weight. Not only is the diet about losing weight, it also helps your overall health as well. Before we go, make sure to check our description box below for some great products that will help you on your health journey. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Huge Health and give this video a like. We hope you all enjoyed our thoughts on the Mediterranean diet, and we will see you in the next video.